Are you tired of water tank overflow and manually switching the motor on and off? In this video, I will show you how to make a smart automatic water pump controller using Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, relay module, buzzer, and Nokia 5110 LCD display. Components required. For this project, we need Arduino UNO HC-SR04, ultrasonic sensor Nokia 5110 LCD display, relay module, buzzer jumper wires breadboard, circuit diagram explanation. Now let's connect all the components. Nokia 5110 LCD connections, CLK to pin 8, DIN to pin 9, DC to pin 10, CE to pin 11, RST to pin 12. Ultrasonic sensor connections, trig pin to Arduino pin. 2, echo pin to Arduino pin. 3, relay module, relay IN to Arduino pin. 5, buzzer positive pin to Arduino pin. 4, connect all GND pins together and power the circuit properly. Now let's understand the code. Display library. First, we include the Nokia 5110 display libraries. #include, #include. These libraries help us control the Nokia 5110 LCD. Defining pins, #define trig pin 2, #define echo pin 3, #define buzzer, 4, #define relay, 5. Here we define pins for the ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, and relay. Measuring water level. The ultrasonic sensor measures the distance between the sensor and water surface. Int distance equals get distance. Then the code converts that distance into water level percentage. Motor control logic. When the water level goes below 20%, the relay turns on and starts the motor. If % less than or equal to 20, when the tank becomes full, the relay turns off automatically. If % greater than or equal to 100, buzzer alerts. When the water level becomes low, the buzzer beeps 5 times. When the tank becomes full, the buzzer stays on for 10 seconds. Now let's test the project. As you can see, the display shows the real-time water level percentage. When the tank water becomes low, the motor automatically turns on. When the tank becomes full, the motor automatically turns off. The buzzer gives alert notifications. This system helps save water and makes the water tank completely automatic. If you found this project useful, then like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more amazing Arduino and electronics projects. Thanks for watching.